angle of the cylinder, okay, that measured from x-axis, right? And z is as similar to the Cartesian coordinate, right? Now this angle, if this angle is maximum is 360°, right? The maximum is 360° if we consider it from the x-axis. If starting from here and angle is measured in that point, it is maximum 360°. That's why the value of the phi starting from 0 to 2 pi, and z is similar to the Cartesian coordinate. Okay, got my point? Clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, sir, on the bottle, where is the X, Y, and Z axis?
Yes, yes.
On the bottle, where is the X, Y, and Z axis, sir?
Yes, yes. If you compare it to the Cartesian and the cylindrical coordinate system, there is a relation. Okay, there is a relation. Okay, I will discuss it later. Right.
Actually, sir, I was asking something else.
Uh, please repeat again.
Sir, you were showing us a perfume bottle, right? So I was
Yes,
asking
yes.
on that bottle, where is the X, Y, and Z? Like where will you put the X, Y, and Z
If
on the bottle?
now if you cut vertically, if you cut vertically in 4 pieces, then 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 after cutting there is a x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. This is the z-axis, and if you cut it vertically into 4 pieces, then the other two sides is the x-axis and y-axis. Got my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now, now in cylindrical coordinate system, the components of the vectors are capital A rho, capital A phi, and capital A z, right? As in the rectangular coordinate system, it is capital AX, capital AY, and capital AZ. But in cylindrical coordinate system, the value of the component of the vector is A rho, A phi, and A z. And a vector in cylindrical coordinate system is represented by capital A rho into small a rho plus capital A phi into small a phi plus capital A z into small a z. Right? So capital A rho, capital A phi, and capital A z, that are the magnitude component, and small a rho, small a phi, and small a z are the unit vector of that direction. Okay, now this is the direction of the unit vector of a rho, right? That is the direction of the unit vector of the a rho, which direction starting from origin and towards the circumference of the cylinder. Okay, and these are the direction of the a phi, and this direction is the direction of az. So unit vector direction of cylindrical coordinate, that is a rho, a phi, and az. These are the three directions of that unit vector. Okay, got my point? Okay. Now the magnitude of the vector A in cylindrical coordinate system. So the magnitude of the vector of cylindrical coordinate system is given by mod A is equals to root under A phi square, A rho square plus A phi square plus A z square. So equation number 33 represents the magnitude of the vector in cylindrical coordinate system. Okay. Now the relations of unit vectors, in cylindrical coordinate system. So the unit vector of cylindrical coordinate system, which are a rho, small a phi and small a z. Right? Now, if rho points the direction of increasing order of rho, that means the direction of the unit vector of rho according to the increasing order of rho from origin. That's why this is the direction of the rho, and this is the direction of the unit vector a rho. Right? Next is the a phi. The direction of the a phi is the increasing order of phi. So that is the increasing order of phi. This circular direction. That's why the direction of the a phi or unit vector of phi direction is in this direction. Okay. And direction of the az, okay, the unit vector of z direction, that is the positive direction of z direction. So that is the direction of az. So these are the three direction of three unit vector of rho, phi and z. Okay. Now there is a as there is a relation, unit vector relation, cross product relation and dot product relation in Cartesian coordinate. There will be dot product and cross product relations of unit vector in cylindrical coordinate also. Okay. The relations are, if a rho, a phi and az, a rho, a phi and az, these are the three different unit vector, then a rho dot a rho is equal to 1, a phi is equals to a phi is equal to 1, a phi dot a phi is equal to 1, and az dot az is equal to 1. That means the dot product of the unit vector itself is equal to 1, right? And dot product of different directions of the unit vector of cylindrical coordinates is equal to 0. That's why a rho dot a phi dot az and az dot a rho is equal to 0. Right? This is the dot product relation of the unit vector of cylindrical coordinate. Okay. And now is come to the cross product. Okay. The cross product of the unit vector of cylindrical coordinate specify that the cross product of two directions is equal to the third direction of unit vector. So a rho cross a phi is equal to az, right? A phi cross az is equals to a rho, and az cross a rho is equal to a phi. that is the cross product relation of the cylindrical coordinates unit vector. Okay, got my point? Now there is a important things are there, that is the relationship between the Cartesian coordinate system x, y, z and cylindrical coordinate system, that is rho phi z. Okay. Now just to this relation over there, just you consider this figure. Okay, just you consider this figure. This is a vector, point vector, whose component in Cartesian coordinate are x, y, z, and cylindrical coordinate, that is rho phi z. Now, what is the relation between them? Okay, rho is basically root under x square plus y square. Okay, rho is basically root over x square plus y square. Okay, we know that cylindrical coordinate system or it Cartesian coordinate system, both are orthogonal. Orthogonal system said that the angle between each coordinate is equals to 90 degree. Now, if that is 90 degree, okay, so this is the rho direction, right? Now, if we consider a rectangular shape, okay, that's OB represent x direction, and that's OY, this represent the y direction, right? And it is a x and y is the coordinates of rectangular coordinate system, and rho that specify the according to the diagonal of this square, of this rectangle. So the value of rho is equal to root under x square plus y square, is it not? Got my points? বোঝা গেছে? Okay, next, if we consider this is a right angle, okay, then phi is represented by tan phi is equal to y by x. So phi is equal to tan inverse y by x, right? And z is similar to the same in Cartesian coordinate and cylindrical coordinate. That's why the relation of rho phi z with respect to x, y, z is equal to rho is equal to root under x square plus y square, phi is equals to tan inverse y by x, and z is equal to z. This equation number 35 represent the relation of cylindrical coordinate system with Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, now the relationship of Cartesian to cylindrical. The relationship are x is equal to rho cos phi, y is equal to rho sin phi, and z is equal to z. Now, if you consider this triangle BA. That is the OBA. So this B angle is 90 degree and phi angle is that this phi angle. Now this OB is equals to X, right? AB is equals to AB, OB is equals to X, AB is equals to Y. This is Y, so this also Y, right? Now if we determine sine phi, that is AB by OA, AB by OA. So value of AB is equals to Y and value of AO is equals to rho. So Y is equals to, from this equation, Y is equals to rho sine phi. That means that is the relationship between Cartesian coordinate Y with the cylindrical coordinate. Okay. Now, if we consider and determine the cos phi, so BO is the base, AO is the hypo. Now, cos phi is equals to BO by AO. So BO is equal to X and AO is equal to rho. Now X is equal to, from cos phi is equal to X by rho, that is X is equal to rho cos phi. So that is the relationship, and here Z is equal to Z, because in cylindrical coordinate system and Cartesian coordinate system, both are in same in nature for Z direction. That's why the relationship is X is equals to rho cos phi, Y is equals to rho sin phi, and Z is equals to Z. Okay, got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's you do one problem regarding this. Okay, then it will be clear. Write down. It will be clear. All of you write down the question. Write down. Problem number 1. A given rectangular coordinate system, there is a vector P. There is a vector P. Vector P whose component are -2, comma 6, comma 3, -2, comma 6, comma 3. Determine the value of the vector P in cylindrical coordinate system. In cylindrical coordinate system. Okay. Please solve the problem. Okay. I am repeat again. the value component of p vector in Cartesian coordinate, that is -2, 6 and 3. Okay. Determine the value of the vector in cylindrical coordinate system. Determine the value of the vector in cylindrical coordinate system. Please all of you solve the problem and send to my WhatsApp number. Bimbayan Chakraborty.
Yes, sir.
Mm,
Yes, sir.
uh, what is the exact pronunciation of your name?
Sir, it's a Bimbayan. Bimbayan.
Achha. Okay. And you are from?
So, Kalighat, sir, West Bengal, sir.
Do you know Shruti Sarika Chakraborty?
Yes, sir. She's my sister, sir.
She is my one of the favorite students of my uh, in my last previous college. Okay.
Oh. Thank you, sir.
Yes, solve the problem and send to my WhatsApp number. Yes, I received one of them. 1 minute. I received from Otonu. Otonu Shana. What is the value of rho? Value of rho root 40. It's around 6 point something. Okay, no problem. Value of phi tan inverse C. -2. Just you check the value of phi. Okay, Otonu.
Okay, sir, minus.
Here. Okay.
Sir, minus
Man,
71.56.
yes, very good. Man, please calculate the value of phi, not tan inverse -3. Okay, tan inverse -3 is the
Yes,
not is the direction of the phi. I want in when you represent in a cylindrical coordinate. Okay, you have to determine the angle, not phi. Determine the exact angle. That means how you how you measure from the x-axis. How much angle from x-axis? Okay. Got my point? Man?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please, when you sending your problem, please write your name and roll number. Oh, you do not get a roll number. Okay, write your name, please. Yes, me bad. Right. Okay. Shumon.
Yes, sir.
Same. Not tan inverse. Not tan inverse 3. You have to calculate the exact angle because in cylindrical coordinate rho phi z. Cylindrical coordinates are rho phi z. So value of rho is the measure of the distance from origin. Okay. Value of phi
Okay, sir.
is the measurement of the angle, which is phi. Measurement of the angle from x-axis. How many angle? A point is how many angle from x-axis. That is phi. And z is the height, as similar to the Cartesian coordinate. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Priyanshu Sannal. Yes. Okay. Priyanshu. All right. Shubhodip. Yes. Okay. Shreyoshi. Hmm. All right, Shreyoshi. Aratrika. Aratrika, what is the value of z? Aratrika, what is the value of z?
Yes, sir.
What is the value of z?
So see,
You calculate rho phi. What is the value of z? Tell me what is the value of z in this cylindrical coordinate? Z is similar but same value which is in the Cartesian coordinate. So here in Cartesian coordinate the value of z is equal to 3. So in cylindrical coordinate the value of z will be also 3. Got my point?
yes, sir.
Yes, Kritika. Okay. All right. Pritam. All right. Okay. Rebboto. All right. Yes, this is. Who is this? Shubham Roy. Yes, very good, Shubham. This is the these are the value and this is the vectors in the cylindrical coordinate. Students, please give me your attendance for the first class in the chat box. Yes. Roman. All right. লাগবে তুমি যাও। All of you put your attendance in the chat box. Anyone remaining? Anyone remaining for sending the problem? Students, I give you 5 minutes break and start the second class at 10:30. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Third coordinate center. This is R, this is theta, and this is phi. Right? So a point P in Cartesian coordinate, that is x, y, z, if it is represented in cylindrical coordinate, that is r, theta, spherical coordinate, then r, theta, phi, and if it is represented in cylindrical coordinate, that is rho, phi, and z. Okay. Got my points? Yes.
So can you explain that? diagram again.
This one. This one. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If there is a vector points are there, that is P. Okay. And if we compare it in with respect to Cartesian coordinate and spherical coordinate. Okay. How we compare it? Okay. If a sphere is cut according to a square form, okay, cut horizontally and cut vertically, okay, cut vertically, cut horizontally, then that is the point, which point is a vector point, right? This is the vector point. If we represent it in a Cartesian coordinate, that is x, y and z, that is x axis, that is y axis, and that is z axis. Just you imagine there is a sphere. Just you imagine there is a sphere and you have to draw the Cartesian coordinate from the center by cutting horizontally and vertically. Okay. So at the from the center point of the sphere, the radius of the point that represent r, right? And the angle created if we cut the sphere vertically, if we cut the sphere vertically, this one, if we cut vertically, then the angle from the z axis, if we cut it vertically, then this plane is equal to the z axis of the Cartesian coordinate system, is it not? If a sphere is cut vertically, thus vertically, this one, so the plane of the half sphere, that is equal to the z axis. So the angle from the z axis, that is represented by theta. And if this is cut horizontally, the angle from the x axis, that is called the phi. So this is phi, okay, that is the horizontal angle, and theta, that is the vertical angle. So this is the relationship of the vectorial relationship of the Cartesian coordinate and spherical coordinate. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come to again numerical problem regarding this. Yes, solve this one. Problem number 1, problem number 2. Convert 3 vector points are there. P is equal to 1, whose component are 1, 3, 5. P is equals to 0, -4, 3, and S is equals to -3, 4, and 10. From this Cartesian coordinate system, converted to cylindrical and spherical coordinate system. First you do this. And
So
the
what is the
second
coordinate of
problem,
S?
coordinate of S is -3, -4, and -10. I am repeat again. Coordinate of P is equals to 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. Coordinate of P is equals to 0, -4, 3. And coordinate of S is equals to -3, -4, -10. Coordinate of S is equals to -3, -4, -10. Convert it cylindrical coordinate and spherical coordinate. Okay. First do this problem. Did you understand three coordinate system? Just imagine it. Okay, then you can understand the and visualize the three coordinate system. Okay, that's why I am showing some object better understand.
So should we send you the cylindrical first?
First you first you determine the cylindrical coordinate of P, T and S, then spherical coordinate of P, T and S.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Sir, স্পেরিক্যালে থিটাটা tan ইনভার্স রুট ওভার এক্স স্কোয়ার প্লাস ওয়াই স্কোয়ার বাই জেড ছিল তো?
spherical coordinate.
হ্যাঁ।
In spherical coordinate হচ্ছে theta is root over x square plus y square by z,
ওকে স্যার।
and phi is equal to tan inverse y by x, and r is equal to root over x square plus y square plus z square, because it is a three-dimensional. Okay, that's why in cylindrical it is root over x square plus y square, rho is equal to
Sir?
yes.
So for spherical coordinate, theta is equal to tan inverse root over x square plus y square by x, right?
Theta is equal to tan inverse root over x square plus y square by z,
By x, right? Okay. Okay. Okay.
and phi is equal to tan inverse y by x. Those who complete the spherical coordinate of PQ S, then PTS, then send to my WhatsApp number. Then after then determine the spherical coordinate. Yes. Subodip, I receive your copy. Yes. P is equals to 3.16, 71.5, 3.70, 71.56 degree. Subodip. Okay. 70, it is angle.
Okay, sir. We have to write the degree, right?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. I think it's
Rho
mistake.
is the distance. Rho is the
Yes.
distance. Unit will be millimeter or centimeter. Okay. It will be degree. And Z
Okay,
will
sir.
be also, it is a distance, millimeter or centimeter. Okay.
Yes.
Value of T. 4, 270 degree, 3. Okay, very good. Okay. Value of S. S is equal to 5, 2, 2 for 2 for 3. It is degree. It is also degree. It is, okay. Okay. Just you follow the correction. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Who is this? Sumon.
Yes, sir.
Right. 3.1. It is same. It is 71.56 degree. Okay. Oh yes. Okay. No problem. Okay. Degree 5. Okay. Okay. Very good. Do the next one. Cylindrical. Spherical. Beam iron. Beam iron.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I do not recognize your properly. It is 70. What is first one is P. Root. This root 10. That means 3 point something. 71.6. Z is equal to 5. Okay. Now 3. Now the what is the value of rho of T?
Of T, sir. So 3, sir.
T. 3.
Yes, sir.
Bimban, please check it. Okay. There will be a mistake. Value of rho of T is equal to 4.
Oh, yes, sir. It'll be 4. I'm sorry. It'll be 4.
Okay. And angle, Bimban,
Yes, sir.
angle.
So 0. So because minus 4 by 0, so it's 0.
What is the relation? What is the relation of phi?
So tan inverse y by x.
Tan inverse y by x. So what is the value of y?
Minus 4.
Value of y?
For t, it's minus 4, sir.
Minus 4. Tan inverse? No. Minus 4 by 0. That is tan inverse infinity. Is it not?
Oh, yes.
Minus
Sir.
4 by 0, tan inverse infinity. That means minus tan infinity. Minus tan infinity means minus 90 degree.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Correct it. Okay. Now z is equal to 3. Okay. Now it is 5. This phi is situated at the fourth quadrant. Bimbayan.
Which one, sir?
Phi, the value of phi of s. Value of phi of s, that is minus 4 minus 3. That means it's situated at fourth quadrant. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
So in fourth quadrant, argument usually will be 2 pi minus theta. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
According to complex
Yes, sir.
number.
Yes, sir. Right.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you will check it. Z is equals to minus 10. Okay, right. Okay, please check it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, which is Otonu. Otonu. Otonu, your spherical coordinate of P 5.91, right? 5.91, 32.13, 32.13 and 71.56, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay. Value of spherical coordinate of T. Spherical coordinate of T, that is 5, 53.13, 270. Very good, very good. Okay. Now value of S of spherical coordinate
স্যার এজটা ওটা ভুল হয়েছে, ওটা
11.1,
স্যার ফোর্থ করুন।
11.18. Theta is wrong.
স্যার স্যার সেকেন্ডটা চেক করুন, সেকেন্ডে একটা ফটো পাঠিয়েছি।
Admit 1 minute. Okay. This one. Yes, 153. Yes. Because it is in the which quadrant?
স্যার ফোর্থ কোয়ার্টার। ওয়ান্ডারফুল।
Yes. Okay, very good. Okay, Abdonu, you do the second problem. Okay, this one is problem number 2. That is B. B is a vector which is represent in rho theta phi. That means spherical coordinate. Determine it in Cartesian and cylindrical coordinate. Okay, I received 4 from. What about others? Only 4 numbers of students are sending to me. Okay, what about others? One thing, remember that electromagnetic field is a very important paper in your electrical engineering. It is completely based on physics and applied mathematics. So when you study any topic, that means coordinate system, you have to apply it, because in a new normal situation we do not visualize the practical or the real time system. That's why you have to understand by practicing the numerical, because application of mathematics and physics is your engineering. So you have to either you do practical or you solve the question numerical problem by applying the formula and visualize the formula. Then you understand the properly for any topic. Got my point? So I request all of you, please solve the problem, every problem. Yes, I received the copy of Manvarm. Received the copy of Man. 1 minute. Man, what is the value of R root 35? That means
5.9.
Man, you check the value of spherical coordinate of S 5.
Sir, 5 will be 10 inverse 4 by 3, as their coordinate is minus
What
4 and minus 3.
what is it is situated at fourth quadrant? Is it not?
Yes, sir.
The coordinate situated at fourth quadrant. So it will be 360 minus 5. Okay. Got my point, man?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shubhodip, I receive your copy. Okay. Debboto. Debboto, please check the value of 5 in of spherical coordinate of S. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Value of spherical coordinate of phi of S. Sumon Banerjee.
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is okay. Yes, okay. Suman, do the second problem. Priyanshu Sandan. Okay, Priyanshu, all right.
Sir.
Do the second problem. Please, all of you, give me the attendance of the second class in the chat box. Subhrodip Hajra, Roman, Aratrika. I don't receive any copy from you. Which is this? Sriyoshi. Sriyoshi, can you hear me? Sriyoshi,
Yes, sir.
check the value of phi of spherical coordinate of S. Subhrodeep, Roman, please send the problem. Pritam, anyone who not complete yet, okay, please send after class also. Okay, I will check it, but you have to solve it. Anyone who not complete yet the problem, please send up after class. I will check it. Okay. Yes, I one copy I received. That is Shubham. Shubham Roy. Yes. Okay. Shubham, can you hear me? Please take the value of spherical coordinate of S. Check the value of spherical coordinate of S until this all are okay.
স্যার প্রবলেম টুটা দেখিয়ে দিন না।
Problem 2. Just 1 minute. This is B. Okay. So this is AR, capital AR. This is capital F theta, and capital Phi is equal to 1. Now put the value of the in the interrelation between spherical coordinate and Cartesian coordinate. Okay. Just you try. If this if any difficulties, then I will discuss in the Tuesday's class. Okay. Already class is over.
ওকে স্যার।
Just you compare this B vector is equals to capital AR small ar plus capital A theta small a theta and capital A phi small a phi. Capital AR is equal to 10 by R. Capital A phi is a theta is equals to R cos theta, and capital A phi is equal to 1. Then put the value in the interrelation formula of spherical coordinate and Cartesian spherical coordinate and Cartesian coordinate. Cartesian to spherical, spherical to Cartesian formula. You have to apply spherical to Cartesian formula. Okay. Okay, I will solve it. Okay, I will solve it and send to your and discuss in the next class. Okay, problem number 2, right? Okay. Okay, 11:30 already. You have the next class, third class, right?
Yes, sir.
So I will end the class for today. Problem number 2 I will discuss in the next class, right? Okay.
Thank
And
you,
those
sir.
who not complete, those who not sending the problem number 1, send after the class. I will check it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for attending the class. Thank you.